I'm Craig Kenneth, a relationship coach and a psychotherapist. Every relationship is different, and every breakup is different. Work with me, and you'll get professional help on your situation. Just click on the link in the description below, or go to my website, askcraig.net. Hi there, I'm Coach Craig Kenneth.
I'm Coach Margaret.
And today we're going to be talking about, I want him to pick me.
Not the other one, me.
Me. So, I actually got this video topic from a recent comment in the YouTube section. And I know oftentimes when you're dating somebody, you are almost in a competitive mode. Right? Like you start to really like somebody and want to be around them all the time, and then you were like, okay, I know this person has other options, and it makes us really anxious about the situation, and that just makes us go crazy. And then we just start to get more upset, we start to panic, and then a lot of times we come on too strong.
Yeah, what are we competing with? We're never quite sure. It's usually worse than we think.
Yeah, a lot of times in our own mind, we make it worse.
Right. Than the reality. Yeah, okay.
So I got a little comment here that I decided, hey, you know what, I'll do a video on this. And this is actually from somebody that I did a coaching with a while ago. It was about a year or so ago, and I remember this girl. And so I thought, all right, let's do a topic on this one for her. So she said, Coach, would you do a video on if a guy you like is seeing you and someone else? We aren't committed, but I want him to pick me to date. I'm sure other people have this problem as well. I would say so.
Yes?
Yeah. I'd say a lot of people have that problem.
All the time, yeah.
What can we do if we want to date someone who doesn't know if they want to date you? Well, okay, that's a good question, and I think this does apply to a lot of people, because when you first start dating somebody...
Can I make my honest comment?
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the things that's kind of refreshing about this particular request is that nobody's lying to anybody.
Yeah.
He's not telling her he's not seeing somebody else. It's up front. So that's a good place to start.
Yes, and that is a good place to be. But when you're in this situation and you know the person you're dating has other options, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but it can get a little imbalanced, right?
Yes.
And that's part of the problem.
He has way too much power here if he thinks he's in a situation where he has two good choices.
Oh, I also forgot to say, P.S. you and Margaret are so amazing.
Oh, she said that. Well, God bless her.
How can I forget the best part of the question?
That's right.
Of the comment.
Exactly. That's what keeps us doing this every week.
Yeah, so it's your situation is good in the sense that at least this guy is being upfront with you. Yeah. Now, I remember this girl well, and I think this guy's crazy. If he doesn't want to explore it with her, I think she's a great girl.
Okay.
So you got to know your value here. Okay? Right. You need to know your worth as a human being, and if somebody isn't making you feel like, you know, your worth, then is it really healthy for you to stay?
Right. And that could be the downside of the honesty. But I want you to know I'm dating someone else. So. Yeah.
So what you really want to do, and the best thing you can do, is focus on being their best option. Right? And if you are constantly striving to better yourself and your life and be a better partner and focus on personal growth, you're going to be their best option, and eventually they're going to see it.
Yeah.
And if they don't see it, then you don't want that person.
You don't want them anyway.
No, you don't.
Right. Yeah.
Because if you are constantly striving to be the best and they don't think you're the best, find someone that will.
And who's going to be the best partner over the long term? Assuming that these people are looking for a long-term relationship. It's going to be who's going to be the best bet over the long term.
Yeah. So what may have been happening with the dynamics with this guy is you're so anxious that you've got other competitors who may not even really be competitors.
Yeah.
Right? They may be just girls he's going out with here and there. and he doesn't really care about them, but you're getting so frantic and upset that you're starting to chase and come on strong,
Yeah.
scare him off.
Not what you want to do.
No, you gotta stay calm in this situation. So I think what I would do if I was in your situation is let him know that you are dating other people.
Yes. Otherwise, he has way too much power here.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I think if you let him know, okay, if you want to date other people, go right ahead.
That's fine. I'm doing it too.
I'm going to date other people too. Then it's not going to be this huge imbalance that's going on right now.
Right. I agree.
And I think he's going to value you and reconsider, whoa, I might lose her if I don't be exclusive. So you don't want to put yourself in a situation where you're just chasing somebody and trying to get them. You got to respect yourself and your value and make them see, okay, you're valuable too.
Yep, I'm valuable, and I'm not chasing you.
Mm-hmm.
You're lovely, but I'm not going to chase you. If you don't pick me, it's your loss.
Yeah, that really is.
And you really do need that attitude.
You do.
Yeah.
And you always need to have that attitude with anybody that you date. It's the healthiest place to be.
Right.
Is respecting and loving yourself and knowing, hey, you know what? There's only one me.
Right.
And if they don't find value in who I am, that is on them.
Mm-hmm.
And of course it can be really difficult to get to that place if in your childhood your parents didn't give you that love.
That's right. Or if you heard negative stuff. You'll never grow up to be anything, and you can't do anything right, and yeah.
You gotta realize that, we really gain our confidence and our value of an opinion of ourselves through what our parents taught us. And so many of us really have to go back, look at how our parents made us feel.
Yep.
Maybe they hurt us. Maybe they made us feel abandoned all the time.
Or stupid all the time.
Mm-hmm.
That's one of the things I hear the most often. I thought I was stupid. Everybody in my house told me I was stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, if you were in a situation where your parents were always abandoning you and you're dating somebody and you're getting to know them, you're going to be afraid they're going to abandon you for somebody
That's
new.
right. And as soon as you know there's other people, it's going to kick up that anxiety. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But then it's not going to be fun.
No.
The dating and the relationship isn't going to be that fun because it's going to be like terror and just the state of primal panic all the time.
Or competitive panic or whatever.
Yeah.
But no, not fun. You're absolutely right.
And love and romance is supposed to be fun.
Mm-hmm.
And remember that we oftentimes reenact our relationships that we had with our caregivers.
Right.
So if you find yourself constantly chasing after guys that make you feel abandoned, then you may be reenacting that trauma from your childhood.
And you want to think about that theme and what it means for you.
Because if you don't, you're just going to chase after people that truly don't care about you,
Right.
that aren't going to really invest in you,
Yeah.
and you're just going to keep playing out the same pattern with mom or dad from early childhood.
That's why we so encourage you to look at yourselves, to do the work on yourself. And sometimes when you figure out something like that, you say, why didn't I see this before? I've been with 4 guys who made me anxious in a row.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's just, you keep reenacting the drama.
But in any case, you don't want to turn yourself inside out trying to get this guy.
No.
No, you want to make
No.
yourself a valuable catch.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And, try and make it equal. If you feel like he's not committing to you, and I don't know this particular situation, and you've chased, and he's not giving you anything or not showing you that he cares, okay, back off. Start going out with other people that might value you a little bit more.
Yep.
All right?
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Yeah.
So, if you want to get our help personally, just go to my website, askcraig.net, sign up for the coaching option that works best for you. I do email coaching, I do Skype coaching, and if you got to get with me right away, I do offer emergency Skype coaching. Margaret is also available for Skype coaching.
Yes, many people have signed up, and I'm delighted.
So just click on Margaret on the top of my website. But that's it for this video. I'm Coach Craig Kenneth.
I'm Coach Margaret.
And we will talk with you soon.
Hi, I'm Coach Margaret, a relationship coach and a psychotherapist with 35 years experience. Every relationship is different and every breakup is different. Work with me to get professional help on your situation. Go to askcraig.net to sign up for a personal coaching with me.